Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm expanding my Rainbow High collection once again. Ever since I found Series 2 in the Netherlands, I've been on the hunt for these dolls, so today it's time for a new character to join the group. If you've been watching my Rainbow High videos, I noticed that some of you are not subscribed yet, so please make sure you are subscribed to my channel because that really helps my channel grow. I got this doll from the site bol.com for 32 euros. This doll is Stella Monroe from Series 2 of Rainbow High. On the top, it says collect the rainbow, and these boxes give you a great look at the doll you got and the second outfit as well. There is this added sticker too that says watch on YouTube. And I'm really curious to see more of these new characters in the series because we have seen some Stella moments, but I would love to get to know these new characters more in depth. On the bottom of the box, we have all the new characters, and on the back, we have the Rainbow High logo at the top, and all the Series 2 characters once again, including Stella herself in that iconic running pose. Then on the bottom, it says welcome to Rainbow High, the colorful art school full of bold fashion and even bolder drama. Honestly, these boxes are so pretty, so I feel like you could easily keep these dolls in box if you prefer to collect your dolls like that. For me, I always love to take out my dolls from the box. The easiest way I found to unbox these Rainbow High dolls is to cut away the tape on the top, side and bottom. This allows you to open up the back of the box like a book, to reveal your doll, and that second box that shows you the second outfit your doll comes with. On the back of that second box, you'll also find the doll stand. That for Stella is this really nice pink color with glitters in the plastic. The doll also comes with these dark pink clothing hangers. Then we've got the doll ready to be unboxed as well. Right out of the box, this doll really surprised me because of how beautiful she is. She's got bright pink hair that is in these two front ponytails. In her front hairline and part, she's also got these highlights of a lighter pink color, giving the hair more depth than I expected at first glance. The placement of the part on my doll seems to be slightly off-center instead of a perfect middle part. I don't know if that's just my doll, but I really like the placement of the part on this specific one. In the back, we have all of that dark pink color, and for the back hairline, we do see those same highlights again. Moving to her face, Stella's got these gorgeous bright blue eyes, light brown eyebrows, and a really cool makeup look, with this stunning shimmer under her eyebrows, then a darker pink, a white line, and a lighter pink color. What I did notice for this doll is that the eyeliner goes in more on her left eye than on the right eye, but I don't mind this too much. Then she's got pink lips and a beauty mark right above that lip. The hair is pretty gelled in these curls, so as always, I will be washing and restyling it. Then looking at the outfit, Stella comes with quite a few fun pieces. I especially love her pink fur coat with these really cool black and golden chain details around it. Underneath that jacket, she's wearing a metallic pink top and a white skirt that has a metallic pink layer underneath it. That is attached to the white skirt, but because of the cutouts, it does show. There are also some gems on the skirt for a nice and sparkly finish. Going down, she's wearing these pink fishnet socks that I really love. And the heels she's wearing are pink and black with golden tips that say rainbow on the front. Before moving on to the second outfit, I really wanted to do her hair justice to give you guys the full effect of this doll. For this, I dressed her in a shirt I don't mind getting wet, and before washing out, I wanted to take out the ponytails. Looking back at the struggle with this, it might have been smarter to rinse out most of the gel first, because that would have made it a lot easier to simply slide out the elastics. With the elastics out of the hair, I filled up a bowl at first with cold water, and then I just massaged the hair in this bowl to loosen up the gel. I really like doing this first because it saves you a lot of running water, especially when your doll has a lot of gel in the hair. Stella also came with this comb, and for the rainbow high dolls, I actually like using these combs at first, because they are so gentle to the hair. While brushing the hair, you do want to be really careful of that thatched part so that that will stay nicely separated. The first time you're washing your rainbow high doll's hair, you might experience some shedding, but from my experience, the dolls do have a lot of hair, so I'm never too worried about this. Then I rinse the hair one more time to really remove all the gel from the hair. Then after washing the hair out, I also wanted to restyle the hair. What I wanted to do for her is bring back the front of the hair in those two ponytails, but have her frontmost sections hanging down in two small braids. For this, I take a small section in the front of the hair, split that section in 3 strands, and then I simply create a 3-strand braid. With those braids out of the way, I'm gonna take the hairline and parting of the hair, and I want to tie that together in a tight, high ponytail. For this, I brush it all upwards and simply tie that in a small little ponytail. I actually did the second ponytail off camera because I was so focused on getting those two ponytails even. And a quick side note, can you see how long Stella's hair is when that gel is washed out? Then to incorporate the braids in the hairstyle even more, I'm also braiding a section behind the ponytails and then wrap that around the base, adding another clear rubber band to secure that. After finishing that hairstyle, I already really like the hair with that soft wave at the ends, but to give her the full glam look she deserves, I still wanted to give the hair a little curl using my perm rollers. I am wrapping the hair around these rollers pretty loosely, because in my previous videos we've seen that the rainbow high hair takes curl really well. For this specific hairstyle, I'm curling all of the hair away from the face. Then while the hair was drying, I'm gonna take a look at the second outfit, which comes with this top that is actually 2 separate pieces. The first piece is a white mesh top with golden glitter details that comes with a pink lacy bralette underneath it. That top works perfectly with this skirt that is one piece but has 2 layers. The base is this pink mini skirt, and then it has a see-through top layer that has sequins going down, giving it this super cool ombre effect. One thing I did notice is that my doll actually has a hemmed skirt, and I think the USA release did not have this. So I'm really curious if you own this doll, did yours come with a hem skirt or not? Finally, her second pair of shoes are the strappy heels with light pink and golden painted details, and black bottoms. Now I really wanted to see how this second outfit would look on the doll, and as you can see, it looks so cool. I really love how the hair turned out, and I'm a big fan of this second outfit for Stella. You can also take off that white shirt, which I really like too, because that makes the color of the top pop a lot more. You can obviously mix and match this even more, and for example add her coat to this look. If you want to see even more styling options with this doll, let me know in the comments below, and I might think of some fun looks for a Stella lookbook video. I really hope you liked this review and restyle for Series 2 Stella Monroe from Rainbow High, and if you did enjoy it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming doll videos. To see more pictures of my dolls as well, make sure to follow me on Instagram @thedollboy. See you next time!